We go to the top of the third. Adam is going to lead off for Bandits. Number 07 back on the mound for Bolts. First pitch, swing and a miss, inside fastball. He was at the plate when the last inning ended. 0-1 on Adam. Called strike two, same spot. 0-2. Last time they went outside. Just missed. That was close. 1-2. Adam walked, knocked in a run in his first at bat. Swing and a miss. Ball gets away. Catcher to first. He just stayed on the base. That's 3 straight strikeouts for the pitcher. Ben Cody's up. He hit a sacrifice fly to right in the first. Pitch. It's high. One and one. He drove in the 5th run for Brookline. Two and one inside. 2-1, 1 man out. We're in the top of the third. Foul out of play, right behind the backstop. 2-2. We're in the top of the third. Handcuffed the catcher. 3-2. Three and two, 1 out, top of the third. 5-4 Bandits. No one on base. Payoff pitch. Ball 4. Ben draws a walk. Tony's coming up. He lined out to first.
Now batting right fielder Tony Carvalho.
Will is going to come in as a courtesy runner for 25. Will, who was a pitcher in game 1, he's going to come in to run for Ben, who's the pitcher in this game.
First running first base, Will Buckholz.
Will is on at first. Tony is up. There's 1 man out. Top of the third. 5-4 Bandits. 07's looking at him. 2-step lead. Pitch home. In the dirt. Ball 1. It's hit to left. Caught and left. 1 man out. Or, sorry, 2 men out.
Now batting left fielder Devin Chin.
Pitch him 07. Runner's going. And he's safe. Oh and 1 on Dev. I think it was a strike. Runner at second, scoring position. Pitch. Ball. I think it's 1-1. Yeah, 1-1, 2 outs. Will is at second. Scoring position. Pitch to Dev. Foul toward us. It's out of play. One and two. One and two, 2 outs. Will at second. Pitch home. Outside. 2 and 2. 2-2, 2 outs. We're in the top of the third. 5-4 Bandits. Will leads off second. Pitch home. 3 and 2. It's a full count on Dev. The pitch. Ball 4. 3 walks in this game. Max is coming up.
Now batting the catcher, Max Daniel.
First and second for Brookline. Will's at second, Dev's at first. There's 2 outs. Max is up. 5-4 Bandits, top of the third. Pitch him 0-7. It's hit on a line to right. Right fielder catches it for the third out. End of 2.5, it's 5-4 Bandits.